Hi everyone, welcome to Happy New Kids Learning. Today we are going to listen a small story about Lord Ganesha. Children, I heard so many of you singing these days Ganapati Bappa Moria, Ganapati Bappa Moria. Now I can feel you're getting ready to celebrate the festival of Ganesh Chaturthi, right? So, Ganesh Chaturthi is an Indian festival that is celebrated the birth of Ganesha, the son of Lord Shiva and Parvati. You heard many stories about the birth of Ganesha, right children? So it was said that Ganesha was made with mud by Ma Parvati. She breathed the life into him. Ma Parvati accepted the boy as his son and asked him to guard the palace near the gates. Then Lord Shiva came and he is not aware of Ganesha. He tried to go inside the palace. Then Ganesh refused him to enter the palace because Ganesh was simply and fearlessly obeying his mother. So Shiva got angry and in the fit of anger he beheaded the Ganesha. Lord Shiva had realized his mistake after Parvati explained the whole story. So, to correct his mistake, Lord Shiva brought the head of the elephant and placed it on Ganesha, and that is how our Lord Ganesha has born, the elephant-headed god. And so, we celebrate the Ganesh Chaturthi to mark the rebirth of Ganesha, who is also called as the god of new beginning. The meaning of Ganesh Chaturthi is to fight with our troubles and weaknesses and start a new beginning. So Ganesh Chaturthi is celebrated on the day when Ganesha got a new birth on his elephant-headed form. Now let's talk about the most interesting and the fun factor. How do we celebrate the Ganesh Chaturthi? We start our celebrations by bringing the Lord Ganesha statue into the homes or the temples or the mandaps where we are going to celebrate this Ganesh Chaturthi. Some people keep the statue for 1.5 days, 3 days, 5 days, 7 days and even 10 days. Now, what does that mean? Well children, listen carefully. It means that when you bring Lord Ganesha home, you have to keep your home neat and clean. Clean your bedrooms, toys, books, kitchen and the place where we keep our God should be very clean. And we offer the food to Ganesha before we eat to ourselves, just you would do when a guest come to our home. This is so cute thing, right children? And we will not leave Ganesha alone. Some family member always stay close to Ganesha to look after his needs. As we stay close to each other at home, we are close to our brother, we are close to our parents and we are close to our grandparents. Just like that. And when Ganesha is at our home, no fighting. We should be very loving and caring to all the family members. We start our morning by praying to Lord Ganesha. And we begin our new day with Ganapati's blessing. So, having Ganapati at home is having a guest who everybody loves. Children loves Ganapati, parent loves Ganapati and grandparents also loves Ganapati. And then comes the day of Ganapati Visarjan. We immerse our Lord Ganesha in some water. What does that mean children? Well, that means along with our statue of Lord Ganesha, we all are immersing our fears and our shortcomings, our angers, our greediness and we are making a new beginning. So, I wish a happy Ganesh Chaturthi to you my dear children and for your families to make a new beginning. So now you tell me children, what do you want to immerse this year? Hope we all immerse the COVID-19 and start a new beginning. And we hope so children. Wishing you and your family a happy Ganesh Chaturthi. Be safe and be healthy. Hope you enjoyed with me kids. See you soon. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.